Hi everyone, I just wanted to make something and I wanted to bring you along as well. So I'm just making a scene using my new circle stitch dies. Don't know if you can see the stitching, I can barely see it. I didn't have glasses on. So you know, like it's raining today and cats don't like to go out in the rain. So I've got some new stitch circle dies and I've got new cat dies, and so I'm going to make like a scene, and I've just cut 2 strips out of black cardstock, so that's going to be like my window. And then I'm going to stick it down with dry glue. I was going to do some inking, but instead I'm inking the background. I'm going to just add a scenery using my dies, you know. So I'm going to use this Rangers Tim Holtz linen cardstock. I already picked out my colour for the grass, so just going to put it through the Civic Sidekick now. I don't like to waste this stuff because it's really expensive, so I'm going to be frugal with it. And then this one for this, my favourite thing in the world. You know, one of those things you pick up and blow. Sometimes I can't remember its name, you know. Right now I can't remember its name. So I hope everyone's having a nice day and keeping safe. So remember, so the linen side is the effect that I want, and then the other side smooth, so you cut that like this, so that goes in, down first, the linen side goes down, then you'll get nice grass. Well, I will get nice grass. Magnetic shim that I made. Put that down. Put that over, and just the machine's on the side here. Yes, I use my small one, just, you know, and it's in there. I'm just baking a cake, a fruit cake. It's gonna take more than an hour, so I hope you enjoy this. See? Really nice, smooth, and there's texture there. If you can see that, you might have to wear glasses. But there's definitely texture. And then work out where it's gonna go, because it might not all fit inside the window. Just pick out the bit that you actually want, and then snip the other bits off. Now for my this bit. Oh, I've done them in reverse. Never mind. Did you see that? I picked that one up instead of the green. Never mind. And cut the grass. You'll see that. Never mind, never mind. You can still use the reverse of that. Okay, let me show you. So you don't need to throw this away as well, because look, you can turn this bit into scenery. See how nice that looks with the background, and you can add things onto here. Yeah, and I've got this where you can put different shades and colours behind. This is an aperture, and then you get a really nice card that way. That's really easy to do, you just cut into the paper card. Anyway, let me see what I'm doing. So I've got that, and the linen side down. Put it in. And this one needs some cleaning. So even that would be nice. That is so beautiful. Look, have that there. And you can make a scenery, or maybe take that out. No. Well, you have to play around and see for yourself. I know I like doing things like that. So hard one to get out. So you have to set the scene. This bit flies off that, like that. Pew! Get your circle. Window, smooth side up and the other side down. Then, where's my window thing? So once that's stuck down with your dry glue, just decide where you're going to put your window frame. You have to cut away some of the thing. You could even have your cat maybe sitting outside in the garden, so one outside in the grass, just say, and then the other one could be inside watching. Hold on, so let me see. So you're building up a scene, a scenario. It's your choice how you put it. I have to cut the bits off, and then I'll say one cat is sitting inside watching the one outside. So you just have to, she could be sitting up there or here, yeah, here, actually she'll be sitting here. Okay, so there. Okay, so once you worked out your scene, and then cut the extra bits off, snip, 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 and then glue it down with dry glue. So I'm not going to glue it down yet because I might want to change it, and I might want to decorate the background with my inks, but I just wanted to give you an idea. I might move this down a bit. Use your tools. I want to see the cat's ears, you see. There. So with simple tools and good quality textured cardstock, you can make really nice things. Yeah, I hope you like this. I'm even going to make something with this. When I do, I'll show you. So, let's stay in and make something that you enjoy. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching, take care, goodbye, see you in my next video. I'm just playing about now, sorry. Okay, so anyway, I'm going now. So I hope my cake turns out nice. Anyway, see you. Bye.